In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to downloading free 3D models. By the end, you'll know how to find quality free models, pick the right file format for Cinema 4D, download them safely, understand the licensing, violent, and import them into your project without headaches. First, head to a reputable free 3D model website. Popular choices include CGTrader, TurboSquid, and Open3D Model. Some platforms will ask you to create a free account before you can download. That's normal and usually quick. Just keep your login details secure and avoid sharing any sensitive information. Next, browse or search for the model you need. Use the site's search bar with clear keywords and try filters like category, polycount, or price set to free. Preview images and descriptions are your friends here. Look for notes about polygon count, included textures, materials, or rigging. If the model will be part of a bigger scene, matching style and scale will save time later. Now check the file format. For Cinema 4D, the best options are .c4d, .fbx, and .oba. A .c4d file is the most direct. FBX is great for complex models with hierarchy and materials, and .obj is widely supported and reliable for geometry, usually paired with .mtl and texture files. Confirm that textures, such as color, normal, and roughness maps, are included or available since they affect the final look. When you're ready, click the free download button. Some sites add a short countdown or extra clicks to bypass ads. Just stay on the official site and avoid suspicious pop-ups. Save your files in a clear folder structure, then unzip any archives. Keeping model files and textures together prevents missing links later. Before you use the model, read its license. Many free models use Creative Commons or custom licenses. Some require attribution, others restrict commercial use. If credit is required, keep the creator's name and license details with the asset and plan to include attribution wherever appropriate. When in doubt, treat the license text as the source of truth and keep a copy alongside your project. Finally, import the model into Cinema 4D. You can drag and drop the file into the viewport or use File, then Merge. For .fbx and .obj, review the import options, set the correct scale, enable materials, and confirm texture paths. If textures don't appear, relink them in the material editor and check your project's asset paths. Once the model is in, inspect the geometry, adjust orientation or units if needed, and organize it in the Object Manager for a clean workflow. That's it. Find, format, download, verify the license, and import. Follow these steps and you'll build scenes faster with assets you can trust.